So here we are in Kielder Forest. We've got a bit of a circular route to do today. Fresh New Year's resolution. Walk more, even if it's not in the mountains. So today we're doing the forests. And hopefully, well, I've said this before, coming back in the dark, we might get to see some dark skies if there's no clouds. We'll see what that's like later. For now, yeah, it's very cold. What was it, -4?
Yeah.
-4. A lot of trees being cut down or fell down. A lot of trees down, lads. Got a few Christmas trees as well. Rocking that creek.
Hey. Juventus? No.
What are you trying to work out here, lads?
He didn't play in there as well, did he?
Didn't I? Aye, good shout.
AC and PSG, Man U, 2 more.
This Ibrahimovic.
Aye.
He's played for 6 different clubs that have all won the Champions League, but he's never won it. So
And how many
Grace is
you
trying
got?
to get close. He's got 4.
Barcelona.
1 more. When he first started out, really.
Is this?
Oh, when he first made a name for himself.
Malmo.
No.
He played for
Malmo
them,
win the
didn't he?
Champions League, like.
He didn't, but he played for them at the start, didn't he?
He might have done that.
Was it not where he was, where they wouldn't pay his wages?
Oh, I don't know.
Was that them?
Oh, maybe it's a club after that then.
I don't hold us to that, mate. I might be wrong. It was definitely somewhere though where they didn't
I think it's
pay his wages.
where Barcelona bought him from.
What country? Or does it just give it away?
It does, like.
Does it?
Do you want it?
I go on, because I still might not get it even from the country.
Holland or Netherlands?
I've got a card.
Yes, we.
Aye.
No.
I'll see what's plays in a friggin'.
What's that stuff you clean your kitchen with, man?
Ajax.
Ajax FC.
I was going to say Flash
Flash United.
or Duck.
Are you hungry?
No, no. Asking for a friend. Eating. My cup of tea. Oh, I forgot the milk.
No.
The safest bridge.
Jesus.
That is a bridge.
We thought it was a bloody house. It's not one of them things again, is it? Oh,
There is a house up there.
no, I'm not getting up there. Oh, there. Can't get to it. There's a hut
I think so.
behind it.
Behind you.
Oh, no, that's
It'll
it.
be fine, man.
I gotta come back though.
Yeah.
Can't get to it there either.
I thought it was just behind here. Struggling.
It's something, there's like fallen trees that looks like something, but I don't know.
It's interesting.
Probably see it walk around with. Oh, great.
Slippy these.
Oh, did you? Is that what you're coming in for? For a week?
What?
You didn't, no, I just couldn't have a look.
Oh, it's Craig, careful.
Wait, he's always gone back, Craig, like it's not.
I thought he's going to go away.
Dead slippy this.
On a hand like.
It's a bit.
Uh-huh.
No, no, I'm married.
Sure?
It's just a bit soggy. This bit, Ed. It's very slippy. This could just be mud I'm standing on.
It is actually, isn't it? Very just mud.
That's it. Oh.
There's gazelle.
First, then.
The
It's easier.
brains are Britain.
That is.
How many? No, that's not
16.
for Batman.
16?
Do it again.
Guaranteed.
Do it again.
Na 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 Batman.
What's that?
Best Batman.
Who was the best Batman? Ooh. What's that Adam guy called?
One Eden hasn't called it.
He's the original.
The original.
Yeah. The TV series. Kapow! Ka-chunk! Kaplunk.
Adam West.
Adam West, that's him.
Huh? No. Adam West was the first.
The best ones, I think, were the ones with. Not Chris. He played flipping Psycho, American Psycho, didn't he?
Christian.
Christian. What is his name?
Gareth, aye.
Who?
The footballer, Gareth.
Gareth.
Welsh. Played for Spurs, went to Real.
I know, you mean it's yes.
Oh, he's got some legs, mate.
I can't think of his
Well,
name.
like.
Beale. Christian Beale, that's the one. Shit, mate, that was hard.
He's up there.
Aye.
There's a few you missed.
What do you think of the most current one, the Batman?
I like him.
Aye.
Yeah, I thought it was good.
Same. It's different.
Can you name all the other ones?
Nah.
I think there's Adam West, Michael Keaton,
Yeah.
Val Kilmer,
George Clooney. Aye, that's what I was thinking of.
Christian Bale,
Yeah.
Robert Pattinson,
Yep. That's him. I think his name.
one more, Ben Affleck.
Oh yes, Ben Affleck. Jeez. Actually, he wasn't bad either. Yeah, he's really good. I think he should have continued after Patterson. Like.